This video will show you how to unbox and fully assemble the NAPUNE Aquila e-bike. When unboxing, please try to keep the packaging and protective materials intact for future customer service purposes. Cut open the bottom of the outer box and remove the e-bike. Take out the accessory box. Cut the zip ties securing the front wheel and remove it. Cut the zip ties on various parts of the bike. Be careful not to cut the wires. Remove the protective materials from the bike frame. At this point, we have the front wheel, seat, accessory box, and main frame separately. Open the accessory box, and you will see the remaining parts and tools. You can pause the video to check the number of parts. Loosen the 4 screws on the front part of the stem. Insert the handlebar into the slot. Screw the 4 screws back in, but do not tighten them yet. Adjust the handlebar to your preferred position. Tighten the 4 screws alternately and make sure the gap between the top and bottom of the stem is even. Tighten the other screws at the rear of the stem. Now let's install the front wheel. Use the handle to loosen the screws on the white protective bar. Remove the protective bar. Remove the red protective piece located on the front brake caliper. Do not squeeze the brake lever before installing the front wheel. Remove the protective covers from both sides of the front wheel. Take out the 2 end nuts from the transparent packaging. Each nut comes with a washer and black spacers. Screw the end nuts onto both sides of the front wheel. Do not tighten them yet. Install the front wheel by aligning the fork slots with the 2 end nuts, while making sure the brake rotor is centered in the brake caliper. Tighten the 2 end nuts alternately. On the ends of the pedals, there are letters L and R indicating the pedal direction. Make sure not to mix them up. Incorrect installation of the pedals can damage the threading. For the left pedal marked with an L, use a wrench to rotate counterclockwise to tighten. For the right pedal marked with an R, use a wrench to rotate clockwise to tighten. Take out the front light of the e-bike. Loosen the screw on the back. Insert the screw into the hole on the front wheel bracket. Tighten the fixing nut. And connect the 2 red plugs. You can choose whether to install the reflectors. Follow the instructions in the video to install them. To install the rear reflector, remove the seat post and snap the reflector clip into place from below. The battery is already secured to the e-bike. Cut the zip tie securing the battery. You can unlock the battery with the special key provided with the e-bike. Both removal and installation of the battery require a bit of force. The accessory box contains the battery charger. You can charge the battery via the port on the front end of the battery. Before starting the e-bike, press the round button in the middle of the battery to turn on the power. Press and hold the switch on the back of the display to turn it on. Press the plus button on the front of the display to increase the pedal assist level. Press the dash button to decrease the pedal assist level. Press and hold the plus button to turn on or off the front light. Press and hold the dash button to activate walk mode to assist in moving the e-bike slowly forward. The front suspension can be locked using the knob. You have now completed the assembly of the Aquila. NAPUNE wishes you a pleasant ride.